Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I made a little mistake this morning. I stated that what I'm fixing to do will only work in 2019 Corel Draw, but this will work in any Corel Draw 2018, 17, or whatever. So I'm going to erase that other video. So if you get your contour tool from down here, which has a slide out, you can contour and you can see the lines. Whoop, didn't go quite far enough. We want that to look like that. And then you grab that yellow box or whatever color you have and break the contour apart, and then grab the yellow and go to shaping in 2018 or below and have this check right here. And actually need to go to boundary and place behind selected. And you get that, and just to prove that it is transparent, and that is a cut line, we're going to draw a rectangle around it and fill it in yellow, and then put it to the back of the page. And you can see it's a hairline. So in 2018 and below, that docker is called shaping. In 2019, that docker, they've changed the name, I don't know why, to shape. So there it is right there. So you just do the same thing. We're just going to redo it, get the contour tool, contour it out. And what's so nice about this, you can see them touch. Go up to pick tool and pick the outside, break the contour apart, click on the blue, make sure you have place behind selected, and you get the same result. It's just a different name. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.